Assalamu alaikum students. We continue with the question number 7 of exercise 2.6, in which we are required to solve the following equations for real x and y. It means we have to find out the values of x and y from the given equations. So let's begin with the part 1. In part 1, two minus 3 iota into x plus y iota is equal to 4 plus iota. 2 minus 3 iota to the right hand side, so that somehow x and y can be separated. X plus y iota is equal to 4 plus iota divided by 2 minus 3 iota. As on the right hand side we have a rational form of a complex number, so therefore what we do, we rationalize the denominator. 4 plus iota, 2 minus 3 iota multiply by 2 plus 3 iota divided by 2 plus 3 iota. Numerator is multiplied to the numerator, 4 multiplied to the 2 plus 3 iota, and second term iota is multiplied to 2 plus 3 iota as well. On denominator we apply formula and we get 2 square minus 3 iota whole square, and the formula is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 iota plus 2 1s are 2 iota plus 3 iota into iota square. 2 square is equal to 4, the square of 3 is 9, and iota square. We have 8, like terms having same sign, we do addition. 12 plus 2 14 iota plus 3 iota square is equal to minus 1, 4 minus 9 minus 1 value of iota square. 8 plus 14 iota minus 3 whole divided by 4 plus 9, and that will be equal to 8 minus 3 5 plus 14 iota divided by 13. We apply the inverse action of LCM on the right hand side, and what we get, x plus y iota is equal to 5 over 13 plus 14 over 13 iota. As we observe, in the both sides we have complex numbers. So according to the definition of equal complex numbers, the real parts are equal as well as imaginary parts. So x will be equal to 5 over 13 and y will be equal to 14 over 13, and that is the required solution for the part 1 of question number 7. Let's solve the part 2 of question number 7. In question number 7, we are given an equation in which we have to find out the values of x and y. We multiply the left hand side according to the BDMath rule first. 3 is multiplied to x plus y iota, minus 2 iota is also multiplied to x plus y iota. On right hand side we open the brackets, 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 to the 4 y iota plus 2 iota minus 1. 3 1s are 3x plus 3 y iota minus 2 1s are 2x iota minus plus minus 2y iota into iota square equal to 2x minus 4y iota plus 2 iota minus 1. In the left hand side, 3x plus 3y iota minus 2x iota minus 2y. We put the value of iota square, that is minus 1. We take these two values to the left hand side, they become minus 2x plus 4y iota, and only the simple complex number 2 iota minus 1 is left on the right hand side. 3x and 2x are like terms having different signs. We do subtraction, so 3x minus 2x will be equal to x, whereas another value of a simple variable, that is minus minus plus 2y. Not only solving but also arrange them in simple format of complex number. So first we take the value minus 2x iota. Is there any other value of 2x iota? No. So we write minus 2x iota. So next value 3y iota and plus 4y iota. So the sum, because like terms have the same sign, we do addition. So 3 plus 4, 7y iota we have, equal to 2 iota minus 1. X plus 2y, we take 1 common, we separate the real part, and now we take minus as well as iota common from these two, imaginary part. Minus is taken as common, so 2x plus will become minus when minus is taken as common, so 7y, and on the right, according to the right property of taking common, we take iota as common. Not only we do this, we also arrange this value in the format of a standard complex number, minus 1 plus 2 iota, according to the standard form of complex number. We write the right hand side. Now we observe that we have a real and imaginary part, mean we have a complex number in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. It means we have equal two complex numbers and we can compare their real and imaginary parts. So according to the definition of equal complex numbers, we have real parts equal, mean x plus 2y is equal to minus 1. These are real parts. Whereas the imaginary parts, minus into 2x minus 7y is equal to the imaginary part that is on the right side, that is 2, and these are imaginary parts. We have two equations on our hand, so it means we have to apply either of any of the methods equating the coefficient, substitution method, cross multiplication, or the different methods of simultaneous equation, because we have two simultaneous equations to solve to find the values of x and y. First of all, we have to name this as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. So from equation 1, we choose the substitution method. For this purpose, we take the equation number 1, x will become equal to 2y is equal to the right hand side, minus 1 minus 2y. Put x is equal to minus 1 minus 2y in equation 2. We rewrite the equation number 2 to put the value minus 2x minus minus plus 7y is equal to 2, and now we put the value minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2y plus 7y is equal to 2. Minus minus plus 2 minus minus plus 2 to the 4y plus 7y is equal to 2. 4 plus 7, 11y is equal to 2. 11y is equal to 2 minus 2. 2 is taken to the right hand side because minus 2, and now that is equal to 0. So y will become equal to 0 over 11, and hence what we have, y is equal to 0. We name this equation number 3 for the reference, so that we can put the value of y which we obtain to get the value of x. So put y is equal to 0 in equation number 3, which is x is equal to minus 1 minus 2y, minus 1 minus 2 into value of y is 0. So what we have, minus 1 over here. Hence, we got the solution x and y. And that is all for the part 2 of the question number 7. Let's solve part 3 of the question number 7, in which we are again another equation is given, and that is 3 plus 4 iota whole square minus 2 into x minus y iota is equal to x plus y iota. In this, we apply a formula on that part, and that formula is a plus b whole square, and according to that we have 3 square plus 4 iota square plus 2 into 3 into 4 iota. Minus 2, we open the bracket, minus 2x minus minus plus 2y iota is equal to x plus y iota. 3 square is equal to 9 and 4 square is equal to 16 iota square. We have 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24 iota. Minus 2x plus 2y iota is equal to x plus y iota. In the next step, we put the value of iota square, which is minus 1 plus 24 iota. We take these two values to the right hand side. X plus y iota minus becomes plus 2x, and that plus becomes minus 2y iota. In the left hand side, 9 minus 16 plus 24 iota is equal to, real parts are added, x plus 2x is equal to 3x, whereas 1 plus minus 2 signs are different, so therefore we do subtraction. 1 minus 2 minus 1 mean minus y iota we have. 9 minus 16 is equal to minus 7 plus 24 iota is equal to 3x minus y iota. This equation is very simple. Again, we have equal to complex numbers on our hand, and we can compare the real and imaginary parts of these two equal complex numbers. We write the statement according to the definition of equal complex numbers. Minus 7 is equal to 3x, real parts, whereas 24 is equal to minus y is imaginary parts. 3 is taken to the left hand side, minus 7 over 3 it becomes, hence x will be equal to minus 7 over 3, whereas minus 1 is taken to the left hand side, so it becomes 24 over minus 1, and hence y will be equal to minus 24, because plus divided by minus is equal to minus. So hence that is the solution of part 3 of question number 7. That is all for the exercise 2.6. I hope you understand well, and you practice these sums at home. You get the concepts of real and complex numbers on your hand, and definitely you learn a lot in this chapter. Thank you.